My name's Terry White. I came here in about November of last year, and the way I found Dr. Green's office was through a website search I did, just typing in symptoms. I'd been feeling bad for a long time, and I go online and try to figure out what was going on with me, and how I found this particular place. Cutting to the chase was I saw some videos of different medical clinics around the country, and in the YouTube links there was one that Dr. Green had. He's got a bunch of videos online that I went to and listened to him speak, and saw testimonials from patients he'd seen, and so I called him up. And cutting to the chase again, it's a long story on how bad I felt. We've been through a lot, and I'm not cured by any stretch, but I'm light years ahead of where I was from last, about November, I guess it is, and here we are, June. So it doesn't happen overnight. The success isn't like just snap your fingers. It takes, you don't get to eat everything you want there for a long time, but it makes a massive difference when I did everything that he's talked about doing. I came in with some real bad gut issues. I had no energy. I had severe brain fog. I just felt like I guess the best way to say it was like I was dying. I mean, that sounds extreme, but I just felt like I wasn't really alive anymore. I mean, that's the best way I know how to describe it. And it had been going on for quite a while. I had gotten some severe food poisoning about 5 years ago. I had to go to my conventional doctor. Now, they did help me get through. I had a severe esophagitis that I had to deal with. I had an endoscopy, found out everything was messed up. But what they wanted to do was put me on Nexium for the rest of my life. And I just didn't think that was the answer. It just didn't seem like the right thing for me. So came to Dr. Green's office, did a ton of blood tests. And what we found out through the course of working with Dr. Green is that I also had small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, which is a real bear to treat. Then you'll go online and you'll research all that if you happen to have it like I did. And we've turned that around. Like I say, I'm not cured, but I'm 85% on the other side of the hurdle. I don't know how to say it any other way than except I feel so much better, and I'm on the right track. And I don't want to poo-poo conventional doctors. And what we do here at first, I'll be honest with all of you, that at first you wonder if this is the thing to do, and then when it starts working, you think, hey, this is pretty doggone good. It does the trick. So. If you got any questions about coming here, you ought to come at least and talk and just see what you can find out, because for me, that's what I did, and it's been worth it. It has been.